What's up, everyone? Had my helmet on here for the hair, but just decided to take a drive after work here. Working up in Westminster, Colorado, and got some great roads nearby and really beautiful sunset coming up. Don't think I'll stay out that long, but definitely gonna try and catch some of those views and enjoy this early November day. Very surprised that I have the opportunity to break the bike back out and ride again here in November, but hey, I'll take it. It's gonna be nice all weekend, so gonna put together some content for you guys. Hopefully you enjoy it. Cheers. Guys, just got done with a after work ride. Have the privilege of pretty much being right in this area. Works maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes that way, but right here at the base of those flat irons, and right here you see the NREL Wind Study Center. So fun fact, I used to help manufacture the glass composite from an engineering standpoint in the he just waved. Cheers, man. That was my first internship, the glass fiber that goes into those Vestas windmill blades that you see there. So I always love this area. It's right here, pretty much kind of rocky flats area. Used to manufacture World War II nuclear triggers. The plant actually had a couple fires and some accidents, so this beautiful area is slightly irradiated, but nothing super harmful. But way to go, everyone. Past 4,000 miles, just about time for the second service, and loving it. Nothing wrong with it though so far. Small coolant leak, not a big problem. The chain's nice and lubed up though, so gets a little squeaky if you don't do that, but other than that, riding like a dream. Here comes another motorcyclist. Alright, take care.